Welcome to Grayers Graphics and thank you so much for your inquiry. There are a couple of things that we need from you before we move forward. We need some photos of your vehicle, so just 4 photos. It should only take you 60 seconds to complete this. We need a photo of the driver's side, the passenger side, the front and the rear. Please make sure that your vehicle registration is visible in at least one of these photos. You then email the photos to hello@grayersgraphics.co.uk. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp them to our work phone on 07375 956 919. We do require a 50% security booking deposit at the time of taking the booking. This deposit is required before we start any design work or ordering of materials to accommodate your needs, and the remainder of your balance will need to be paid upon collection of the vehicle. If you're not sure about anything in this video, please give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help in the best way possible. Please note, it is the absolute best thing to send photos of your actual vehicle. If there are any slight variations between the photos you have sent and the vehicle that actually arrives to us on site, it may hold up the process and cost everybody more money. Thank you so much for your inquiry and we hope to hear from you soon.